Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Maine, Chesapeake, Kendall, Livingston, and Will. In the following counties: in Indiana: Benton, Lake, Newton, Porter, Alaska, and Starr. In the following: Winthrop, Harbor, Sonoma, Lake, Illinois, Limerick, Illinois, Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to County Lake Harbor, Illinois, County Lake Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, and Lake Michigan to Little Lake Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Meat Lake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.